Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Bing AI on your mobile phone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Bing AI in your App Store or Play Store. Now right after that you'll be able to see an app at top where it is distinguishable by its logos on the screen, and it's developed by Microsoft Corporation. And don't forget, you will find the download option at right side. Just click on that option and now your download will begin automatically. So yeah, once your download gets completely to open and you'll be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download Bing AI on your mobile phone. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.